Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this highway project is the largest project the government has on the way right now. This is a $60 billion project to build a highway from Kingston or St. Andrew to Port Antonio. It's going to be 110 kilometers of highway. Now the highway is being built in sections. So the section we are on now is the Kingston to Yalos section. We are just going to give you a quick summary of the highway. So between Harborview and Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway and it's going to be 4 lanes. From Bull Bay, 11 miles in Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway is going to take a new route and it's going to go through the hill. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Grandspend, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. And then it's going to be 4 lanes. And then from Grandspend to Albion, you're going to get a new route. And then from Albion to Yalos, you're going to go along the existing roadway. Now from Harborview to Albion, it's going to be 4 lanes. And from Albion to Yalos Bridge is going to be 2 lanes. So the entire section we are now driving on the section from Grandspend to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So the existing road was extended to 4 lanes. We are on the one side of the barricade, but on the other side, the other 2 lanes are under construction. So it's going to be 4 lanes. From Kingston to Yalos is going to be 17.4 kilometers. The entire highway will be 110 kilometers long. So this is a very good preview of what the entire highway is going to look like. Very nice roadway. If you can remember what this road looked like before. Okay, we're going to pull over and allow this ambulance to pass. Okay, so this is a very nice preview of what the entire highway is going to look like. Now, the Southern Coastal Highway project is a project undertaken by the government. Has a vision of building highways around the entire coast of Jamaica. So it involves the Southern Coastal Highway project segment 1, which is from St. Andrew to Port Antonio. This highway runs along the coast. From Port Antonio to Negril, you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which runs along the coast. And from Negril to Manchester, you're going to have segment 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway, which also runs along the coast. So that's the vision behind this highway. This is segment 1. Northern Coastal Highway is another segment, and then segment 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project will start soon. So, okay, we are now at the Suncoast Adventure Park, which is on the left. And here now the road is going to take, this is where they start the construction of the new road. And this will, actually, let's take the new road. This new road now will run from this point back to, we'll run from this point back to 11 miles in Bull Bay. So we are now going to drive on this section, which will take us from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Bull Bay. I'm wondering if we can. Okay, well, there's a car coming down. I'm not sure where they're coming from. I don't know if he's blowing us to tell us not to go, or I don't know. But let's see. He had on a yellow vest. I'm assuming he works on this project. So this stretch of road now is 2.8 kilometers long, and it's part of section 1A, which is a section from Yalos to Bulbe.